Everyone, how are you doing? Hope you all are doing fine. Today's topic is what to do in this quarantine. That is a big question, or the question that everybody is going through, as we all are sailing in the same boat. Whether you are a kid or a student or a working professional or a businessman, still we all are facing the same thing, isn't it? So, guys, we need to do a social distancing. But let me correct, it is a physical distancing. We can connect each and every one, right? But we need to do the physical distancing. Now, there are so many things that we can do. We can listen to the news to get an update 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening. And that's quite sufficient. We can watch TV, serials, the live shows, and nowadays, there are Ramayana, Mahabharata, there are all those serials, those are started, so we can rejuvenate all our good memories, right? So entertainment, you can see movies, even online games you can play with your family, friends. This is the entertainment. But as per the work related, you can organize your PC, your laptop, mobile, remove all the clutter. You can see the old albums, photos, CDs, DVDs of your life's important events. And once again, you can rejoin them. You can do the call, voice call, a video call to your friends, relatives, so that you can feel connected. At the same time, you can see lot many people. You can do the Zoom call. So you can enjoy that. You can clean your wardrobe, wash all your clothes, iron them, get organized. Now the maids are compulsorily banned. So there is a lot of household work is there. So you can do cleaning of your house. You can do the cleaning of all the stuff. There are many ladies who are housewives. Or even, there are many ladies who are working professionals, but after having kids, they are leaving their jobs. It is not out of wish, but they make that choice so that you can go out, so that they can look after, you can go out and earn. They are taking care of the kids, nurturing them. So guys, you can help them in household work. You can do cooking. You will learn one more skill, and also it will give good feeling to the woman in a house, right? Because even if you go out for your job, you don't have to depend on anyone. You can take care of yourself. Guys, write down, make it a habit of writing down maybe all your experiences, maybe good one, bad one. Because see, good one gives us a lesson. Good one gives us some memories, and bad one gives us a lesson. So, you can write it down. You can reflect on that so that we can learn a lot. And even many of you aspire to be an author. So, you will have your content ready, isn't it? You can write down good articles. Many of you would like to do poems or small skits or small stories. You can do that. Guys, it's a time to look more inside. So use it productively. You can read books. if you don't like to read the book, maybe you can listen to audiobooks. There are so many applications which are available. Listen to the music. It will give you immense joy, happiness. You can do dance. You can nurture your hobbies which you are not able to do because of your job or daily routine. Do exercise, and it is must and crucial at this stage because it will boost your immune system, it will enhance your stamina and endurance. Guys, also one more thing, write a gratitude journal. It will help you. 3 things you're grateful about. Right now, I'm talking to you at this moment. I don't know about tomorrow, but we need to be grateful for each and every day of our life and each and every moment of our life. Whatever the things we are grateful for, we need to write it. We need to show our gratitude so that God can bless us more and shower more good things on us. Guys, work on yourself, add value, use this time very productively, learn something new, be creative, add value in yourself. So just to recap, love yourself, because when you love yourself, then only you can love others. So love yourself, keep smiling, and add value in yourself. Be a better version of yourself. If you like this message, please comment below. I would love to see your comments so that we can connect more. And please send me a private message so I can add you to my special VIP group. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.